Hello everyone, Vetrimon here. Let we discuss about Graga Mandala Significations in astrology. Example chart: Jeff Bezos, owner of Amazon, the great businessman. Refer about Jeff Bezos chart. Jeff Bezos born on 12th January 1964. Birth time 11:33 hours. Birthplace Albuquerque. INFSA straight line. Native was born with Pisces ascendant. See the Lagnakas falls in Pisces at 26 degree 35 minutes 50 seconds in Saturn's mandala and Saturn's Subhamandala. Saturn lord of 11 and 12. Saturn well positioned in the 11th house. See the Saturn in Aquarius at 28 degrees 19 minutes 27 seconds in Mercury Mandalam and Moon's Ubhamandalam. Mercury, Lord of 4 and 7, indicates business. Lagna cusp well connected with 7 and 11 houses. 7th house is house of business. 11th house is house of profits. Let we check Mandala Lord and Ubhamandala Lord of 9 planets. First we check the Sun. Sun in Sagittarius at 28 degrees 15 minutes and 10 seconds in Mercury Mandalam and in Moon's Ubhamandalam. Sun Lord of 6 well positioned in the 10th house. Moon in Sagittarius at 04 degrees 48 minutes and 31 seconds in Venus Mandalam and Rahu's Ubhamandalam. Mars in 06 degrees 17 minutes and 11 seconds in Capricorn at Venus Mandalam and Ketu Subhamandalam. Mercury retrogression in Sagittarius at 11 degrees 42 minutes and 19 seconds in Moon's Mandalam and in Mercury's Subhamandalam. Jupiter Lord of 1 and 10 positioned in the 12th house at 18 degree 38 minutes 01 seconds in Rahu's Mandalam and in Saturn's Subhamandalam. Venus ruler of 2-3 cusp. Venus well positioned in the 11th house. Venus in Aquarius at 01 degrees 19 minutes and 55 seconds in Ketu's Mandalam and in Moon's Ubhamandalam. Saturn ruler of 11 and 12 cusp. Saturn well positioned in the 11th house of Aquarius at 28 degrees 19 minutes and 27 seconds in Mercury Mandalam and in Moon's Ubhamandalam. Notes in Rahu's Mandalam and Saturn's Subhamandalam. See the planetary mandala table. Sun in Mercury Moon, Moon in Venus Rahu, Mars in Venus Ketu, Mercury in Moon Mercury, Jupiter in Rahu Venus, Venus in Ketu Moon, Saturn in Mercury Moon, Rahu Ketu, Rahu and Saturn. Let me move to the planetary signification chart. Sun in Mercury Mandalam, Mercury Lord of 4 and 7. 4th house and 7th house is vacant. Mercury positioned in the 9th house. We should add 4, 7, 9 houses for Sun. There is no planet in Sun's mandala. We have to take Sun's vacancy of Leo 6th house and Sun's position 10th house. Therefore 4, 6, 7, 9, 10 houses for Sun signification. Let me move to the Moon. Moon in Venus mandala. We have to check Venus houses. Venus Lord of 2 and 3 cusp. Second house is vacant. Third house occupied by Rahu. Venus in 11th house. We just had 2 and 11 houses for Moon significations. We have to skip the third house because Rahu occupied in the third house. Let me move to Mars signification. Mars in Venus mandala. We have to add 2 and 11 houses from Venus. There is no planet in Mars mandala. That's a matter. We have to add 8th house of vacancy of Mars. Then position of 10th house by Mars. Therefore 2, 8, 10, 11 for Mars significations. Let me move to Mercury. Mercury in Moon's mandala. Moon's 5th house is vacant. Moon positioned in the 9th house. Now we have to take 5, 9 houses for Mercury significations. Let me move to Jupiter. Jupiter in Rahu mandala. Rahu in 3rd house. We have to add 3rd house for Jupiter. There is no planet in Jupiter's mandala. Now we have to take 1 and 12 houses for Jupiter. Therefore 1, 3, 12 houses for Jupiter. Let me move to Venus. Venus in Ketu mandala. Ketu in 9th house. We should add 9th house for Ketu position. Ketu indirectly signifies 110 houses through sign Lord. Therefore 9 and bracket 1 and 10 houses for Venus. Let me move to Saturn. Saturn in Mercury mandala. Mercury's 4, 7 houses are vacant. Mercury positioned in the 9th house. Therefore 4, 7, 9 houses for Saturn. There is no planet in Saturn mandala. We should add 11th house for Saturn signification. Let me move to Rahu signification. Rahu in 1 mandala. Rahu positioned in the 3rd house. We should add 3rd house for Rahu and bracket 4, 7 houses for Rahu. Rahu indirectly signifies 4, 7 houses through sign Lord. Let me move to Ketu. Ketu in Rahu mandala. We should add 3rd house from Rahu and 9th house from Ketu's position. We should add 110 houses signification through sign lord. Sun signifies 211 houses through moon sub. Moon signifies 3 bracket 47 houses through Rahu sub. Mars signifies 39 bracket 110 houses through Ketu sub. Mercury signifies 59 houses through 1 sub. Jupiter signifies 9 bracket 110 houses through Venus sub. Venus signifies 211 houses through moon sub. Saturn signifies 211 houses through moon sub. Rahu and Ketu, both the planets signifies 4, 7, 9, 11 houses through Saturn sub. Let me check the sublords of each cusp. Saturn becoming a sublord of Lagna cusp and 7th cusp. See the Saturn signification. Saturn signifies 2, 4, 7, 9, 11 houses. Native becoming a famous businessman. Moon sublord of 2nd and 8th cusp. Moon signifies 2, 3, 11 houses. Combination of 2, 3, 11 becoming good houses for huge wealth. Venus lord of 2 and 3 becoming sublord of 4, 5, 10, 11 houses. Venus signifies 1 to 9, 10, 11 houses. Native becoming a famous businessman and blessed with huge wealth, name and fame. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.